Hi guys, today we're making Eforiro and I'll be using two different leaves for this recipe. I'm using shoko and tete. Kindly watch this video to the end. Thank you. So first we're going to cook our meat until it's soft and tender. The base of the soup is your meat. It has to be flavorful and well seasoned. So I've added crayfish powder, onion and crushed seasoning. Give this a good mix, cover and allow to cook until it's tender. The meat looks ready and it's really soft, so I'm just going to set this aside as we prep the main soup. So first on my list is Eforiro, crayfish powder, stockfish fillet, ponmo, rodo, shombo, tatashe and onions. Now this is the leaf combo I'm using. I'm using tete and shoko, star ingredient of this recipe. Trust me, it's totally worth it. So I'm going to go ahead and blend my pepper into puree form. I'm going to turn this into a bowl and set this aside while I shred my vegetables. I'm going to cut this in big chunks. These veggies were looking so much, but the moment they got into the pot, I was disappointed. It disappeared totally in the pot. I was literally looking for these leaves in the pot. So I'm going to set all of these aside. So I'm going to apply the blanching method to these vegetables. Blanching method is actually helps stops the enzyme actions that causes loss of flavor, texture and color. That's simply add hot water to the vegetables. You strain up immediately. You strain this using a colander. This is what it looks like after straining. So I'm adding ice cubed water to stop the cooking process immediately. So this helps retain the color, flavor, and also texture of your vegetables. So this is what it looks like after the blanching method. So now in another pot, add some palm oil, chopped onions. Give this a good mix until it's translucent. Add your Eforiro. Fry on a low heat for about a few minutes. Then I'll go in with my panla fish. You can use any fish of your choice, any protein of your choice. You can experiment with this recipe. Fry this on a low heat for about a few more minutes. Now I'm going to be adding my stockfish fillet. Remember, this stockfish fillet has been soaked in warm water, so it's quite tender. Now I'm adding my pureed pepper mixture. Give this a good mix. Add your cooked beef. Add in the mixed stock that comes with the beef. Crayfish powder, seasoning powder. Salt to taste. You can add water if the stew base is too thick for you. I like mine perfect like this. I'm going to cover and allow this to cook up for about 10 minutes. So this is what it looks like. It's ready and I'm just going to go ahead and add my blanched vegetables to this stew base. The way these vegetables disappointed me in this soup, they literally disappeared. But anyways, the outcome was nice. It was totally delicious. So give this a good mix on a low heat. Set aside and prep the swallow of your choice. I'm making semo, so I love to add cinnamon sticks to my semo. I added some vegetable oil, so I'm going to prep my semo now. So our semo looks ready. So I'm just going to go ahead and serve this on a platter. So you can actually pair yours with swallow, or you can pair yours with rice. I'm pairing mine with rice, and my husband is pairing his with swallow. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next one. Bye.